science and this search for truth is really one of the few things I think that has this tremendous lasting impact and can really change how we see the world, which to me is it's an amazing thing. So as I worked more and more with scientists, especially here in the forestry department at UF, and started to see that how as researchers we could help, that for me was also another big thing that drove me into this field. And as time went on, the other thing is I really just enjoyed working with these natural systems, and I wanted to continue to work with these natural systems and answer questions that could potentially help restore or at a very minimum conserve them.